Welcome to transform your space with beautiful wooden art, incredible creations you'll cherish. If you're looking to enhance your home with unique, handcrafted pieces, you've come to the right place. Woodworking is not just about creating functional items, it's about infusing beauty and character into your environment. This video will take you on a journey through the artistry of woodworking, showcasing stunning projects that can transform any space into a warm and inviting haven. In this exploration, you'll discover a variety of creative wooden art projects that are designed to inspire and elevate your home decor. From striking wall hangings to elegant furniture pieces, each creation is crafted with care and attention to detail. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, the projects in this video will offer you the opportunity to express your creativity and create pieces that you will cherish for years to come. Let's dive into the world of beautiful wooden art and unlock your potential as a creator. The timeless appeal of wood. Wood is a material rich in character, offering a unique blend of texture, warmth, and beauty. Each piece of wood tells a story through its grain and color variations, making it perfect for art that resonates on a personal level. The timeless appeal of wooden creations brings a sense of nature into your home, fostering tranquility and comfort. Benefits of wooden art. Investing in wooden art goes beyond aesthetics. It's also about durability and sustainability. Wooden pieces are often more resilient than their synthetic counterparts and can last for generations. By choosing handcrafted items, you embrace environmentally responsible choices, supporting artisans and sustainable practices that benefit the planet. Diverse project options. In this video, you'll uncover a wide array of wooden art projects, from simple decor items to complex furniture pieces. Each project is designed to be approachable for all skill levels, with clear instructions and helpful tips included. Whether you're looking to enhance your living room or create a cozy outdoor space, there's something here for everyone. Connect with like-minded individuals. Embarking on a woodworking journey opens doors to community and collaboration. Engaging with fellow woodworkers, whether online or in local workshops, can provide inspiration, support, and invaluable insights. Sharing experiences, tips, and successes adds depth to your journey and enriches your crafting experience. The impact of handmade. In a world dominated by mass production, handmade wooden art stands out due to its authenticity. Each piece has its own character and charm, making it a meaningful addition to any space. By choosing handmade, you not only acquire a unique work of art, but also support the artisans dedicated to their craft. Sustainability matters. Incorporating sustainable practices into your woodworking endeavors is essential. By choosing reclaimed wood or sustainable sources, you contribute to environmental conservation while creating stunning art. This guide emphasizes eco-friendly choices, demonstrating how creativity and responsibility can coexist beautifully. In conclusion, transform your space with beautiful wooden art. Incredible Creations You'll Cherish is your gateway to discovering the delights of woodworking. With each project, you'll not only beautify your home, but also grow as a craftsman and individual. This journey invites you to explore the limitless possibilities of wood, inspiring you to create art that will be cherished for years to come. Let's get started. Unleash your creativity, connect with like-minded individuals, and transform your space into a haven of beautiful wooden art. Thank you for exploring Transform Your Space with beautiful wooden art, incredible creations you'll cherish. We hope you found inspiration and valuable ideas to elevate your home with unique wooden art pieces. Your passion for creativity and craftsmanship is what makes this journey so rewarding. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more woodworking tips, projects, and inspiration. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might also love to transform their spaces with beautiful wooden creations. Together, let's spread the joy of woodworking. Happy crafting!